Hi everybody, back here EMD Automotive. This is Paul. I've got a Transporter 2010 DSG gearbox here. The customer wanted actually a coolant temperature display to show up on the actual site, but this model here don't have it. They've got a warning light to tell you when the coolant is low and a warning light when the coolant is temperature is too high. But sometimes when the temperature is too high, you can actually ruin your engine before you switch it off. But customer came and asked me to actually install a system in the car so he can actually tell how hot the engine is rather than waiting for the actual red light to flash on the dash. Nothing wrong with the car, it's only a spare display for his engine. So it's all come through here, nicely wrapped. Extra heat shield in there to protect it from heat and water. Goes into the car here through there. We're going to seal up the silicone on the firewall to stop the water from going in, but we had to drill it. And if you come here, it looks like really looks like a factory system. Through here, through there, into the actual block, the head, not the block, the head, top of the head there, underneath that bolt. So we put the sensor on there, so that way it actually get the right temperature. So, and if you come to the middle, we had to pull the whole bottom part and all the lights out, so I can actually check the wiring and find the accessory wire B+ for the system. But if you look at it, it's made in Australia, which is good. So it's got warranty as well. So now let me just turn it on. Okay, I'll turn it on right now. Dash is on, the little buzzer comes on there, the little buzzer's there. I've got to screw it on there, put the two screws here to actually, that's the buzzer. When the temperature is too high, it will start beeping at you. At the same time, you got the display here, 25 degrees. Alright, that's 25 degrees. Alright, so we come out here, we're going to actually continue on. So we want to show the actual, I've got a infrared here, thermometer, to actually want to shine it down on the bolt. So it's right there. So it's about 24 degrees, 24.6 degrees, which is the same as 25 degrees inside the car. So if you come back inside, got 25 degrees inside, 25, there you go. That's 25 degrees there. Pretty accurate. So a few points different, but better than nothing. So that's all done. We're going to put everything back together, silicone the little holes on there for the firewall, make sure there's no leak there. And then we're going to put a AC fan as well for this car. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.